I have one life and one chance to make it count for something. My fate demands that I do whatever I can, whenever I can, wherever I am, and for as long as I can, with whatever I have to try to make a difference. Hi everyone, I am Vaishnavi Harrish Menon, studying in 7th grade in Greece Public School. And I am here to express my views on the topic, you can make a difference. At the end of the day, it's not about what you have or what you've accomplished. It's about what you've done with those accomplishments. It's about who you've lifted up, who you made better. It's about what you've given back. You don't have to be brilliant, rich, beautiful, or perfect. You just need faith in yourself that you can make a difference. Making a difference in the world begins with the belief that you can do something for the world that doesn't just benefit for yourself. When your only goal is to serve yourself, the meaning you get from that goal won't fuel the actions you need to execute on it. People have souls and so do you. So go ahead and use it to make a difference in someone today. I challenge you, my friends who are here listening to me. The next person you see, give them a heartfelt compliment. Like, oh, you're looking pretty today. Or wow, that's a lovely outfit. What does it have brightens that person's day? Something as small as caring about something can change the complete outlook of your future. Whether you have a half-joking notion to become an actress, or probing curiosity for science, or love for animals, that seemingly small thing can shape your fate. The ongoing transformations of words to actions, actions to character, character to destiny, and is always following us. It's up to you whether you want to make a difference in this world or not. Never forget that you are one of the kind. Never forget that if there weren't any need for you in all your uniqueness to be in this earth, you wouldn't be here in the first place. Never forget how overwhelming life challenges and problems seem to be. That one person can make a difference. In fact, it is always because of that one person that all the changes in this world that come about. So be that one person. Before I conclude, I would like to say that I can change the life of at least one person. If so, then my existence here in this earth is justified. I hope everyone can have the knowledge of the power of one, and together we can make this world into a heaven. Thank you and have a nice time.